What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. Now it is Saturday, and you guys know what that means on this channel. If you're new around here, Saturday is the weekend. The weekend is where winners are made, the weekend is where empires are built. So in today's video, I'm gonna give you guys 4 different ways you can take care of yourself and improve yourself this weekend. Now, of course, this is a channel, this is the Money Management. This is a channel made for high aspiring people, high achievers, people with big goals, big dreams, crazy targets, people who want to achieve great stuff in their life, and of course, become great. So that being said, I'm going to give you 4 different aspects of your life which you can take care of this weekend and improve on, and hopefully this will benefit you, and hopefully you guys can take the time out of your weekend to do these kind of things to help yourself improve. So today we're going to focus on aspects which are going to help you take care of your life a little bit more going forward. As you guys know, it's the 1st of August. That means it's a new month, a brand new month. So if you guys struggled in July, don't worry, you've got a whole new month ahead of you. If you guys struggled for the first 6 or 7 months of the year, you've got a nice 5 months to end the year strongly. But in order to do that, you have to do the things that winners do. And winners do the things that I'm going to mention in today's video. People who build empires do the things that I'm going to talk about in today's video. And not only that, they inspire others, they empower others to do the exact same thing as well. Because my aim on this channel is to help you guys improve yourself each and every day, even if it's just by 0.1%. So when it comes to videos on the weekend, I show you that it doesn't make a difference, you know, who you are or what you do. Weekend is not an excuse to slack off, to take a step back, to, you know, quit on your goals, to take a break from your goals. Weekend is exactly the time you need to push harder, work harder, and of course, use your time wisely. I'm trying to provide you guys with value. I'm trying to help you guys open your minds, see things differently, and of course, improve your lives. But before we get into that today, I do want to say, if you're new around here, please make sure to hit that red subscribe button below. This is the Money Management. I make a video each and every day. It is not easy, but it's definitely worth it when you guys keep the support. Speaking of support, please continue to give those thumbs up. We're doing well recently. Continue to comment, continue to share love, continue to, you know, share these videos with your friends, continue to do all the good stuff. And again, like I always say, I'm always open to returning the favor. So comment if you've got a channel you want me to check out. Let me know if you guys want me to talk about certain things. Just let me know what's going on. Again, drop it all in the comment section below. But like I said, today's video, we're going to be talking about taking care of your life. 4 different areas of your life you can work on this weekend to help you guys become winners. So of course, you know, this being the money management, the first one obviously has to involve money. And this weekend, I want you guys to take care, if you have not already, to fix your finances. So that means if you need to learn more about money, if you need to budget, if you need to, you know, take care of your finances in whatever way you need to do that, please do that. It is now the beginning of August. Today is the 1st of August. That means one thing and one thing only. It's a new month. And that means you guys need to know how much is leaving your pockets this month, how much is coming into your pockets this month, how much you're spending, what you're spending on, how much you're expecting to spend this month, how much you're expecting to earn, all that stuff. Again, it's a budget. It's a rough idea. It doesn't need to be exact because it's the first day of the month, but by the end of the month, trust me, when the 31st rolls around, or 30th, I don't even know how many days are in August, but either way, when that date comes around, you need to know if you did well this month, if you spent too much, if you saved well, whatever you did. But take the time this weekend to fix your finances. So again, for those of you who need to learn when it comes to finance, please learn. For those of you who need to invest and start looking to where you're going to invest this month, please start learning that. For those of you who are looking to sell, you know, who have a business like me, start looking how you can sell more this month, how you can increase your numbers, how you can start increasing revenue. For those of you who struggle with saving, this month, save more. Find ways to put 10% away. If you've already done 10%, find ways to put 15% away. For those of you who need to invest, find ways you're going to invest. Check out how you're going to invest your money this week, over the coming month. Please take the time out to fix your finances this weekend. As always, when it comes to your money, it's important that you value your money. It's no good having all the money in the world if you don't value it. So what's best for you guys today? Take the time out of your Saturday to fix your finances. The second point I want you guys to work on this weekend, your mind. That's your mindset. Now, of course, you know, I always talk about having the right mentality, having the right mindset. But today I want you to fix your mind. So for those of you who need to meditate, please, by all means, go do that. For those of you who need to read, who need to write, whatever you need to do, please do that. For those of you who need to practice gratitude, you know, whatever it may be, in whatever form it may be, please take the time out of your weekend to do that. If you want to become a winner, if you want to achieve your goals, if you want to be successful, you've got to take the time out to read, to enhance your learning. You've got to take the time out to write, you know, be better with your creativity. You've got to take the time out to practice gratitude, be thankful for what you've been given. Start meditating, fixing your mindset, being at one with your soul, thinking about what you need to do to, you know, improve your life. Taking the time out again to fix your mindset, focus on your mind, focus on, you know, having a healthy mind. Whatever you need to do, if you need to read 10 pages today, if you need to pick up a book and read 15 pages, if you need to meditate for half an hour, if you need to write for 1 hour, whatever you need to do to fix your mindset, to create the right mindset for yourself, to put yourself in the right frame of mind, take the time out of your day today and tomorrow to fix your mindset, to work on your mindset. As I always say, it's important to be grateful. Sure, you know, we might not always have the things we want. We might not always be in the position we want to be in, but that's why we've got to be grateful. That's why we've got to remember the things we do have. Not always the things we don't have, but the things we do have. The things we take for granted. The shelter, the food, the drink, the ability to see, the ability to hear, you know, the fact that we can speak. All the small things which a lot of people do not have. The ability to wake up, brush your teeth with water, shower with warm water, you know, go downstairs, eat breakfast. All those small things, please be grateful for them. That's a part of your mindset. And when you get your mindset into place, when you fix your mindset, everything else seems to roll around and fall into place. So again, like I said, this weekend, take the time to work and focus on fixing your mind. 3, your relationships. if you lost trust in people, if you lost faith in people, take the time out of your weekend to start fixing those relationships, especially if those were good relationships you had. Take the time out to see what you're doing wrong, some self-reflection. Do things which winners do. They self-reflect. They see what they did wrong. They see what they could have done better. They learn to analyze themselves. Are you giving enough? Are you not the trustworthy person? Are you showing integrity? Are you respectful? Are you being respected? Whatever it may be, fix your relationships. Work on your relationships. You might have good relationships. You might have bad relationships. But again, take the time to analyze yourself. Self-reflection is important, and I think not enough people do that. When people hear the word relationships, they automatically think of love. And sure, it's important to show love, but it's not always about that. Sometimes it's important to realize, do you have many good relationships? Do you not have many good relationships? Are you spending time with the right people, the wrong people? Last Saturday I mentioned, who you're spending time with, that you need to be careful who you're spending time with. The same goes for this weekend. Who are you spending time with? Are you spending time with good people? Are you using the right relationships to fuel your future? Are you in bad relationships? Are you with the bad people, the wrong crowd, who are having a wrong influence on you? As always, it's up to you who you spend time with. So this weekend, focus on your relationships. Figure out your core values. What are you practicing? Do you practice integrity? Are you a peaceful person? Do you create peace? Or are you someone who's troublesome, who, gets rowdy? But the reason I'm saying that is because, again, you might have many relationships with different people, and you might feel like you've had a lot of bad relationships recently. Whose fault is that? Like I said, take some time for some self-reflection. Take some time to think about what you're doing. What you thought you were doing right, maybe you're doing wrong. What you thought you may be doing wrong, maybe you're doing right. I cannot say for you guys have to do that yourself. But it's definitely something you need to work on, not only today, but just generally. Who are you hanging around with? What effect are you having on them? What effect are they having on you? All these relationships are things you need to work on. All these relationships are things you need to focus on. Lastly, I want to talk about taking care of your body this weekend. Your body. So that means relaxing. Sure, it's the weekend. It's a time to sit back and relax, chill, have fun. Perfectly normal. But it's also time to exercise. Get out and about. Go for a run. Go for a walk. Go jogging. Get in the gym. Hit the weights. Do some cardio. But again, when it comes to your body, get some sunlight, drink some water, do the right things to keep you healthy. Because it's no good, you're healthy 5 days a week and 2 of the days of the week, you're just absolutely unhealthy. It's no good being completely unhealthy and hoping to sustain a brilliant life. Trust me, you need to take care of yourself. Your body is so important. Your body is your temple. So are you working on your body? Are you doing the things which are going to help your body last long? Are you making yourself durable? Or are you someone who can barely do anything, who can't really move a lot, who's not really healtty and has positioned themselves in a way which is not going to really last long term? For those of you who are, athletes who do sports, take the time out of your weekend to stretch a little bit. Take the time out of your weekend to practice a little bit of yoga. Do something different. Do things which are good for your body. Recover. If you've had a tough week, recover. Relax, like I said. Everybody is on a different path. Everybody does different things. Everybody's active in different ways. Some are very active, some are not very active. But either way, you should be stretching, exercising, drinking water, jogging, relaxing, resting, exercising. All of you should be doing one of the 6 or 7 things I just mentioned there. Doesn't matter who you are. If you're very overweight, you should be out for a walk. If you're way underweight, you should probably be in the gym. If you're an athlete, who's very competitive, you should probably be relaxing and stretching. If you're someone who doesn't do anything, you should probably be doing some kind of exercise. Whoever you are, no matter what you do, you have to be taking care of your body. Your body is part of your health. I do not want you guys to ignore that or miss out on that. Please make sure you focus on taking care of your body. So, all 4 of these ways are important. All 4 of these ways have their own benefits. Your money, your body, your health, your relationships, your mind, your mentality, all of these have huge effects on how well you do in your life, how you succeed, how you get your targets. So if you want to become a winner today, what are you doing again for your body? What are you doing with your mindset? How are you planning to go into this month? How are you planning to go into next week? When it comes to your relationships, who are you hanging out with? Are you the bad egg? Are you the anomaly in that circle? Take the time out to practice gratitude. Take the time out to be grateful for what you've been given. Take the time out, but also to improve yourself. If you've really struggled financially over the last 6-7 months of this year, if you struggle financially in whatever you've done, this is now the time to start tracking your finances. This is the time to start fixing your finances. Where are you spending your money? What are you spending it on? Do you need to spend that money? Can you cut expenses? Manage your money properly. Fix your finances. Find out where you're going wrong. It's never too late to start again. That's the good thing. We always have opportunities. We always have, chances to become better, to make changes, to do things to make a change in our lives. You don't have to make drastic changes. You can make small little changes, incremental changes each and every week. But there's never too late a time to start. And a lot of people always look for excuses on, why not to start. Well, here's a great reason to start. It's the first of the month. You have no reason not to start. A new month is a great time to start something new. So please, take your time out of your weekend to do something different today. There's no excuses. You have the time, you have what you need, you have the tools, you have the resources. It's up to you now to go out there and use them to your advantage. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are you going to focus on fixing this weekend? Your finances, your body, your mindset? What is it? Is it your relationships? What's bringing you down? What's stopping you from being great, from being successful, from getting closer towards your goals? But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please check out those links in the description. I've told you many times, but you guys are going to hear it again. We have my smartwatch company, Time Gear Watches. Smartwatches for men, women, everybody. Go check them out. The first link in the description is a free guide to making online profits. So if you guys are new to business, take some time out your weekend to download that guide. It's a free guide again. Just check it out, see what you guys can do, see if it can benefit you in any way. Added to that, if you're not signed up through Coinbase, link in the description below. Get yourself some free Bitcoin. I'll get some free Bitcoin as well. Same goes for Robinhood. Free stock if you sign up through my link. Again, link in the description below. But that's it, you guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I've been in money management. I got money making. You got things to be fixing. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.